I want to get married.
What? Excuse me! I am already married!
Not you! Relax. I am looking to get married, preferably to someone already dead.
So, what does that have to do with us?
It means you're going to help me.
How are we supposed to find one? We don't even know any ghost.
That's your problem. You need to find one for me, or you're not leaving this house.
Oh, sure. Let me just Google Ghost Bride near me.
You must go to Soulmate Island and bring me a ghost wife.
Wait, you can't go yourself?
I am housebound. Me and my brother, we're stuck here forever.
This is insane! That place probably doesn't even exist!
The rule is simple. Only one of you leaves. The other stays here, just to make sure you come back!